No, I'm playing. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, y'all, we got Camille up in the kitchen. Camille about to show us how to cook a easy pizza crust pizza from scratch. Not basically scratch, but you know, from like a cheap bargain. So I think the thing that costed the most out of this entire thing probably was this.
Yeah, probably the pizza crust. Probably not even the pizza crust. It might have been this. The mozzarella. Since
I've been in college, it's been 5 years. Camille has been in the kitchen all 5 years faithfully. So I'm like, who better to hop in this video and show us how to cook than my motherfucking girl, Camzilla. Camzilla, what we been doing?
Making a pepperoni pizza with mozzarella cheese.
We got 2 cheeses. So we got this one. And see, I like cheese. So I'm like, let's get the block too. So we making a pepperoni pizza with peppers and onions and cheese and all this goodness.
We had ground beef, but I don't know what to it. Right? Did we have ground beef?
Not for this. That's what I'm talking about. Like, Camille tripping. Like, people are everything over the kitchen. This a little fucking meat lover.
Yeah, like to. No, for like, okay, 2 different color ones here to make it cute.
2 different color peppers to make it cute.
Hey, there's no green ones in there. We could have made it real cute.
Camille be pushing it.
Alright.
Oh.
So while Jasper is cutting, I'm gonna show y'all what to do with the dough first. So, if you don't have a cookie sheet, you can use like a aluminum foil pan like this. It's like a little small flat one. And you want to spray the bottom with, I have vegetable oil spray.
Take the seeds out of this?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you can spray the bottom so it won't stick. And spray the bottom and the sides. That's not really like a YouTube video. Yeah. I'm liking this.
You digging it?
Yeah.
You digging it? You're digging on me, I'm digging on you. Ooh, baby, baby.
So this is what the dough looks like. But you have to unravel it. So it's like in the middle. So you unravel it. Hopefully this pan is big.
This pan tiny as shit. And it's gonna be big enough.
It's big enough. Even if the size is like on the roll.
Ooh, that's the crust.
Yeah, it could be.
Let it roll over.
We could do it like,
yeah,
like a round one.
Okay.
If you can see. Ooh, stripping.
Make it go over. I want a big pizza.
Oh, big one?
Ooh, we got another crust. Make it double crust.
You got another
Make it
crust?
Chicago style.
You got another crust?
No, but I'm just saying hypothetically.
No. I'm thinking you had another crust. Ooh, we can brush the sides with some butter.
See, this shit I be talking about, y'all. When we came to college, everybody was crying like, yo, we don't got our grandmother cooking no more. We don't got our mother cooking. Camille was like, fuck is y'all talking about? Y'all living with a beast. Camille was in the kitchen every Sunday.
I mean, something like...
Like, every Sunday. It's on your big as shit.
Huh?
It's on your big.
You can cut up small.
No, it's
you got to cry?
Yeah. Yeah, I hate this shit.
Don't cry then.
Yeah, I ain't gonna cry.
Don't cry. It's okay. So now, we have the that's what's correct. Prego. I can't talk.
She stayed in the kitchen, but the butcher never was in the clayfish, y'all.
Sometimes I use a can, but I got the pizza sauce in the bottle with this time. Jasper, you okay?
My eyes burning. We got the onions out. We got the Prego sauce. We got the pizza crust.
Oh, we got the cheese out.
We got the cheese. You want to cut the cheese?
Yeah, you might as well slice the cheese now.
I'm fucking blind. Oh my god.
There's some water on y'all.
Why the onion juice still on my hand? Good, dog. Good. Okay. What they like?
Nothing.
Oh.
I still got gum in my mouth.
Ooh. Y'all see these teeth? That's burn from the onion. Put a little bit more on there.
A little bit more.
Just a little bit more. You know how that be.
This is how it looks like.
We got the cheese out here. We got the onions and peppers out here. We got the pepperonis out here. What we putting on first? Shredded cheese?
Yeah, shredded cheese.
And the bag was in the way, sorry y'all. This is what we working on right now. We better put it together. We got the dough with the sauce on it. We got the cheese. We got the more cheese. We got the onions and peppers. And we got pie. Let's go.
Sprinkle that cheese. Woo, that's sexy. Put the milk on the Parmesan.
Oh yeah.
I'm saying it there, but I be fucking it. Don't not. I go like 3 swipes.
Yeah. Alright. Oh yeah. Oh fucking yeah. Oh yeah.
Make it
Oh
rain.
yeah. Make it rain. Make it rain. Y'all. Cheese today where y'all get mice. These onions a little massive. My bad, y'all. Yo, God.
Oh, I'm crying too.
I told you this shit strong.
Either that or my eye itch. But I don't want to scratch my
Why
eye.
the onion still on it?
Just like that cheese on there. Oh, this is a nice size.
Ooh, yes. Itty.
And then we put the pepper on top.
Yep, put the pep on top.
Oh, we didn't tell y'all we preheated the oven.
Oh yeah, we
At
been creative.
425.
So cheese on milk. Watch the fucking dough be black as shit and the cheese on milk. I just could feel that about the house, right?
Should we do the butter?
The butter. Yeah, get the butter, king. And this whole pack of pepperoni going on here. Get pepperoni all over.
Yeah, make sure you get the one butter with salt in it. I don't unsalted butter. Shit nasty.
See, Camille a funny bitch. She like pepperoni, but other than that, no pork on my fork. Talking about I don't eat pork. Y'all, she was in the cafeteria talking about I don't eat pork. You already know I don't eat pork. And she saying it fucking up a pepperoni pizza. I was like, Camille, what the fuck you talking about?
I don't eat pork, but I eat.
Yeah.
I eat pork bacon.
Yeah.
I don't eat pork.
About to melt the butter. We ain't even need ground beef.
Yeah, we did.
We got a lot of pepperoni. We got a whole lot.
Yeah, and you eating a whole lot.
I pop bumped up.
Should we put? Don't use a knife. Use a brush if you have one.
It's about to be lit. You should just pour the butter around the middle. Just pour it. Ooh.
On the middle?
Yeah. Ooh. Just ooh. Ooh. Yes. God. It. Lost your bullshit. People gonna be like, stop fucking playing with my religion. Alright.
People always have to play with their religion.
Yeah. They bitch on the comment section. I'm like, wait, man, this shit. Delete block, delete block, delete block.
Make another page.
A fucking masterpiece, honestly. Y'all, on the real, Camille made this before, so if this come out wrong, I need y'all to be in the comment section like this dumb hoe. No, I'm like,
well, at least until it's like golden brown or however you want it.
Can you scat?
We made the pizza. We made the.
You didn't do anything.
We made the pizza.
You didn't do anything.
Oh, we made the.
Bye, Michelle. The fuck? I made the pizza. For the finished touch, me and Camille did the damn thing. Let me get it closer. Mostly Camille, but you know I'm not bad.
Don't burn yourself.
I ain't gonna burn myself.
Don't drop it.
Pizza slide out, fall on the ground.
Yeah.
I'm be that bitch, she deserved it.
You see the like jump on it.
Please, I won't throw the snipe at you.
Throw it.
Him cut his thumb off.
Me.
Oh, this is good as shit.
Very. So I fuck with it. Honestly, truly,
It's iconic.
iconic. Thanks, Cam.
Welcome. Anytime.
You enjoyed?
Yeah. I enjoy it a lot. See y'all later. I'm taking the whole thing.
It's like, I don't want to fight. You force my hand. You a bad bitch. I fuck with you. And thank you guys for watching today's video. It's my girl Camzilla up in the kitchen as always. If y'all want to see more of her, you let me know. Y'all let us know what y'all want to see us cook down below. And if y'all around.
We could have made it real cute.
Camille be pushing it.
Alright.
Oh.
So while Jasper is cutting, I'm gonna show y'all what to do with the dough first. So if you don't have a cookie sheet, you can use like a aluminum foil pan like this. It's like a little small flat one. And you want to spray the bottom with, I have vegetable oil spray.
Take the seeds out of this?
Yeah.
Alright.
So you can spray the bottom so it won't stick. And spray the bottom and the sides. That's not really making a YouTube video.
Yeah. Camzilla. Camzilla, what we making?
Making a pepperoni pizza with mozzarella cheese.
We got two cheeses. So we got this one. And see, I like cheese, so I'm like, let's get the block too. So we making a pepperoni pizza with peppers and onions and cheese and all this goodness.
I had ground beef, but I don't know what to it. Right? Let me have ground beef.
Not for this. That's what I'm talking about. It's like Camille tripping. People are everything over here. This a little fucking meat lover.
Yeah, like to. Go for like, okay, 2 different color ones, yeah, to make it cute.
Yeah. 2 different color peppers to make it cute.
Dang, there's no green ones in there?
No, I'm playing. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. You guys, y'all, we got Camille up in the kitchen. Camille about to show us how to cook a easy pizza crust pizza from scratch. Not basically scratch, but you know, from like a cheap bargain. So I think the thing that costed the most out of this entire thing probably was this.
Yeah, probably the pizza crust. Probably not even the pizza crust. It might have been this, the mozzarella.
Since I've been in college, it's been 5 years. Camille has been in the kitchen all 5 years faithfully. So I'm like, who better to hop in this video and show us how to cook than my motherfucking girl?
My goodness.
You digging it?
Yeah.
You digging it? You're digging on me, I'm digging on you. Ooh, baby, baby.
So this is what the dough looks like. But you have to unravel it. So it's like in the middle. So you unravel it. Hopefully this is pan is big.
This pan tiny as shit. And it's gonna be big enough.
It's big enough. Even if the size is like on the low.
Ooh, that's the crust.
Yeah, it could be.
Let
like
it roll over.
We could do it like
Yeah.
a round one.
Okay.
If you can see. Ooh, stripping.
Make it go over. I want a big pizza.
Oh, big one?
Ooh, we got another crust. Make it double crust.
You got another
Make it
crust?
Chicago style.
You got another crust?
No, but I'm just saying hypothetically.
I think you had another crust. Ooh, we can brush the sides with some butter.
See, this shit I be talking about, y'all. When we came to college, everybody was crying like, yo, we don't got our grandmother cooking no more. We don't got our mother cooking. Camille was like, fuck is y'all talking about? Y'all living with a beast. Camille was in the kitchen every Sunday.
I mean, something like.
Like, every Sunday. This onion big as shit.
Huh?
This onion big.
You can cut up small.
No, it's
You got
thick.
the crust?